Hello! Today, we're excited to introduce the latest version, 2.20, of our portable anti-malware tool, VaccineUSB3. In this video, we'll highlight 3 notable new features. This chapter introduces the latest Trellix anti-malware engine. First, the scan engine, the heart of our malware protection, has evolved to the latest version, 6800 from Trellix. The Trellix engine is utilized in numerous award-winning products and is highly reliable, employing patented technology to detect and block a wide variety of threats, including viruses and spyware. In addition to its existing capabilities, the new 6800 engine adds the features you see here, further strengthening our malware protection. This provides even more powerful protection for your assets against increasingly sophisticated malware. This chapter introduces the updated log viewing function. Next, the log viewer function for checking scan results has been completely overhauled. This was the previous log screen. While very simple, it required a bit of effort to perform detailed checks. And this is the new log screen. We've redesigned the interface so you can understand the log status at a glance. Furthermore, we've added new conditional search and text search functions. Now you can quickly find the information you need from a vast amount of logs. A feature to display logs in a report format has also been added, making it easy to confirm the details of scan results. This chapter introduces the revamped license activation feature. Finally, the license activation process has become more intuitive and flexible. Previously, activation occurred during the first definition file update. In this version, a dedicated screen is displayed at startup, allowing you to preview the license period before activating it. Additionally, we've added a highly requested feature that allows you to freely set the license start date. For example, you can backdate it to align with the contract period of another license you already own, or set it to a date that is easy to manage, such as the end of the fiscal year. Also, if you don't plan to use it right away, you can set a future start date in advance, which is convenient when distributing to remote locations like factories. We are always looking for your requests for additional features and improvements for VaccineUSB3. Please check the video description for more details. Robust protection with the latest engine, a revamped logging function, and flexible license management. Take your security measures to the next level with the evolved VaccineUSB3 version 2020. Thank you for watching.